Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can become a top tier Loba player. Now as you can see, I'm very qualified to teach you these lessons. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to know is where to land, and as Loba you can land anywhere as long as there's some type of loot. And off the rip, you're just going to want to fiend every little bit of loot that there is. Unfortunately, in this match, I had to dip from the top of that building because there was way too many people. Luckily, there was purple armor in the train station next to it, and also a gun. That is very important. Now you can see in this clip that my Octane teammate here, he is dying. But that doesn't matter to a Loba player, because we can craft him later. Now the next step to becoming a top tier Loba player is this, looting death boxes. My teammate's dead up there wasting away, but I kill that Octane. I need to loot his box as fast as possible. He could come back from the dead and loot it all. I need all that loot. Alright, enough with the jokes. Here's an actual tip for you. While running or standing still and throwing your bracelet, you can get some decent distance. And I'll mark where I landed here with my ult. But you can actually go slightly further if you slide right before you throw the bracelet, as demonstrated here. You can see that I landed bit in front of where I landed before. Now here's my final tip. As of Season 16, you can now craft your teammates' banners after they have timed out, which is a very good feature. Now, Loba's one of 4 characters that can craft your teammates' banners, the other 3 being Gibraltar, Lifeline, and Newcastle. Now, I think Loba's the best because once your teammates have spawned down and spawned back in, you can just chuck down your stick and they have access to all the loot in the nearby area, which is very crucial in case there's other teams around that are going to try and kill you because they've seen you just respawn someone and they're not going to have great loot. Thanks for watching everyone. I stream on Twitch now. Here it is on the screen. It's in the description. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.